Hello everyone, this is Balkshta Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. Today I want to show you a review of the two dresses, a red one and a black sleeveless one. When I first saw these dresses with the flounces, I thought how beautiful they are. Have a close look at me. The dress was made on the basis of the 10 measurement cutting system. We made a straight dress and attached the flounces to it. We edged the dress with rolled hem. Baby hems are also very beautiful, but they are much more complicated. I'm happy that some of you know how to make it, especially if you can make it not with a special foot, but with a regular one. Anyway, rolled hem is also very beautiful. Sometimes it's enough to make rolled hem to make an item of a good quality. When I was in Paris, I was absolutely shocked. I saw a blouse in a shop. Straight sleeves, flounce edged with rolled hem, 750 euros. Anyway, baby hem is mostly enough. I'm going to show you the two dresses, both of which are edged with rolled hem. In these dresses, the rolled hems are perfect. Let me show you the lining. When making dresses with flounces at the bottom, I recommend making lining flared at the bottom. I don't recommend making flounces in it. We don't make them. You can see that the lower part of the lining is flared. There are two flounces in this dress. The upper one is attached just to one half of the dress. Notice that I have matching red accessories. I don't like to make zippers in such light dresses. I recommend making slits with tiny buttons. If a dress is close-fitting, you can make a zipper, but still make a slit with a button at the top. The two dresses I'm showing you today are very simple. They were made on the basis of the basic pattern. I just added flounces to them. It's not hard to make such dresses. They look amazing when they're made of bright fabrics. I wanted to make one more dress of grey chiffon, but then I realized that it would be too much. Two similar dresses are enough. I showed you the first dress. Next, I'll show you one more. It's almost the same, but it's made of black chiffon and it's sleeveless. You'll see the difference. Have a look at me. I'm wearing absolutely the same dress as the red one, but this one is sleeveless. When making sleeveless dresses, please make sure that these lines are beautiful. Such details make your clothes look stylish. This is absolutely the same dress. It was also made on the basis of the 10 measurement cutting system. There are also two flounces in it. The dresses are absolutely the same. The only thing which is different is the color. The two dresses look absolutely different, and they both look amazing. Now I have two beautiful dresses. I can wear one or the other depending on the situation. I decided not to show you how to make these dresses because they are very simple. Straight dresses with the flounces attached to them. The both dresses are lined. You can make any flounces you like. This dress was also edged with rolled hem. In my fashion house, we make rolled hems on a household sewing machine. This is the case when you don't need to waste time making baby hem. Anyway, it's up to you how to edge the details. If you know how to make a baby hem, and if you like it better, make baby hem. Anyway, in this case, rolled hem would be enough. I am a dress person. I do have skirts and blouses, trousers, but I love dresses more. I realized that this season I want new dresses. I don't want to waste time sewing something of modeling fabrics. I show you the garments I sew for myself, the ones I actually do wear. Have a close look at the dress once again. You may think that it's too wide here. It's not too wide. There are just a couple of extra centimeters here. Don't make too wide dresses. Make them just slightly loose. They will look absolutely amazing. I have a couple of different pairs of shoes to wear with these dresses. I showed you the 2 dresses. I hope you like them. I also hope that you will find something useful in this video. I recommend making such dresses of chiffon. You can make them of single-colored or multicolored fabrics. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. My name is Paukštė Irina. Subscribe to my channel, write comments, share videos, press a like and the bell buttons. Goodbye.